Anyway, going back to how our mind is like a computer, you can program yourself as far as like how much sleep you need. You can control how much energy and how you want to feel at any given second. So I'm going to go back to this Rubik Cube. I'm going to solve it for you, and then I'm going to have a really short message because I think this will make some good sense for you. So let me get back to solving this, and bear with me, and I'll talk while I do this. Alright, let me get focused. I need to think clearly while I do. Let's see what I can do. So right now I'm just solving one side. And let's see. Where is that little crazy critter? I don't like where he is there. There we go. Alright, so I've got the top, right? And then I've got the edges are matching up, right? There we go. Now let's do the second layer, okay? And you're going to see there's a message with this, so bear with me. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Alright, let's see here. Alright, so now I've got the top, I've got the first layer, I've got the second layer, and now let's do the third layer. Let's see, I gotta match up some of this stuff. I think what I'll do is go here, and how do I want to do this? Oh, you son of a bitch, I went and messed it up. Alright, hold on, I'll fix it. See, this is the cool thing about life. You may miss your approach, however, you just change your approach and get back. Alright, first two layers are done. Let's go back to where I was. And let's see here. Alright, something is amok. Let's see. I'm going to figure this out. And let's go here. I'm looking for two sides. Okay, this will work. Let's do this. Now let's see if I can match up. Okay, good. So we're almost done. Let's do this. Alright, so that's a little crazy. We're almost there though. Let's look for, that's not right. That's about right. I can do that. So let's do this again. That's not right, but we're getting there. That's getting there. Let's do this again. We're getting there. Alright, getting there, getting there, getting there. Perfect. We're almost there. Almost there. Getting there. Boom. Solved. Alright, so there's your Rubik's Cube. Now, why do I show you this, Gabe? Because this is a lot like life. Okay, it's exactly like life. So let's mess this up. This is how you were born, Gabe. Okay, this is how everybody's born. And just like the Rubik's Cube, when you buy it, it comes like this. But it doesn't come with a user manual. However, when you first play with it, you say, here's kind of like what life looks like. Okay, so you're born perfect, which you are. And then through the twists and turns of life, your story changes. You go on different paths, different adventures. You might make some bad decisions. You have different experiences. You make some good decisions, but then you find yourself here. That's where you currently are. I'm going to show you the specific steps that you can take so you are creating your life.